Welcome back to another learning session. In this lesson, we will explore real monetization strategies for YouTube creators. You will understand why relying only on AdSense limits your potential. You will also learn how to build multiple income streams that support your channel long-term. Finally, we will discuss how AI tools make monetization smarter and faster. Let's begin. Section 1. The real purpose of monetization. Monetization is not just about making money. It is about supporting your mission as a creator. It allows you to reinvest in better equipment, better education, and better ideas. It helps you produce more valuable content for your audience. And it gives you financial stability so your channel can continue to grow. A strong monetization strategy turns your channel into a business, not just a hobby that depends on luck or viral views. Section 2. Why AdSense alone is not enough. AdSense pays for monetized views. These earnings change every month. Views rise, views fall. The algorithm may push your video one day and ignore it the next. If you depend fully on AdSense, your income is controlled by the platform. Your success becomes unpredictable. This creates pressure and stress instead of stability. Creators who grow long-term focus on more than ads. They build revenue systems they can control. Section 3. Monetization streams you control. Here are reliable strategies used by successful educational and niche channels. 1. Affiliate marketing. Recommend tools, books, or resources. Place links in the description. You earn each time viewers buy through you. This works even with a small but loyal audience. 2. Sponsorships. Brands pay for collaboration when your audience trusts you. Relevance matters more than channel size. Quality of viewers is more important than quantity. 3. Digital products. Ebooks, learning guides, templates, checklists, pre-recorded courses, and mini workshops. Once created, they generate continuous income. This is the most scalable and profitable method for educators. 4. Memberships and paid communities. Monthly revenue from viewers who want deeper access or exclusive lessons. This builds loyalty and long-term engagement. 5. Services and coaching. If you teach a skill, offer one-on-one help. Even a few clients can create strong income while your channel grows. Each stream supports your channel in a different way. Together, they create financial freedom. Section 4. Planning viewer journey for monetization. Monetization must feel natural to viewers. Your content should guide them toward what they need next. Educational example. Teach a small part of the topic in the video. Offer deeper help through a course or resource. Product review example. Explain how a tool solves a problem. Provide the affiliate link as the next step. Entertainment example. Build a brand identity. Offer merchandise that represents that identity. Every video should serve a purpose. Every purpose should connect to your business model. Section 5. AI tools that support monetization. AI allows creators to scale faster without extra cost. It improves decision-making and content execution. Here are powerful uses of AI: script development and idea research. Consistent content planning for a niche audience. Keyword research for profitable topics. Thumbnail drafts and design enhancement. Captioning, translation, and localization to reach global viewers. Performance analysis to identify which videos lead to clicks and sales. AI does not replace creativity. It removes the slow tasks so you can focus on value. The creator with the better tools wins more time. More time leads to more growth and more revenue. Section 6. Building a sustainable monetization strategy. Start small and grow steadily. Choose 1 or 2 monetization methods that match your channel. You do not need everything at once. Track what works. Use analytics to learn which content leads to purchases or signups. Improve your offers over time. Consistency builds trust, and trust builds revenue. Follow these strategies and see your channel grow. See you in the next lesson.